Hi, my name is Gage Seaburn, and I'm from Montezuma Cortez High School, and my internship took place at Oklahoma State University on N-Man Cowboys, which is a joint company that's pretty much just started a year ago based on the Atlas UAV, and Brady talked about that earlier in his presentation, and it's used for search and rescue purposes, and it can correct itself after a crash, and it won't destroy the propeller like standard UAVs. And it was in aerospace engineering, mainly for UAS systems. And my mentors were Ben Lowe, Dr. Jacob Jamie, and Seaburn Wright. And it's not that I didn't have a picture of him, he's just really white, so he didn't show up very well. And between these three men, I didn't really know what I was going to do that day. I just get a text every morning, and it was kind of like I was just went wherever they told me to. And I worked on several things. This is a LiDAR system, which is used for room mappings. And if you have a UAV with a heavy enough power load, it can carry it into a room without people going in, and it can map the room safely. And this is the first thing I did. The very first day, I learned how to 3D print using a computer software called SolidWorks, and I printed several things. And the first day, he told me, I need a mount for a UAV, and I need it in a week, and I didn't know how to do it at all. And so I got about a 30-minute crash test on that. And this is the Atlas drone, which you saw earlier, and you can see that it's encased in it so that it doesn't get destroyed easily. And this is a hexcopter that I worked on, and that was pretty neat. And one thing with these is the blades may look like flimsy plastic, but those things can take off a finger like nothing. And here's a Muggin plane, and that's what they use for a lot of the testing for oil fields and stuff, so they can fly that out above and check their rigs and stuff without having to send people into sketchy territory. And so I got to help with that. And this was the first quadcopter that I built over there on the right-hand side before it was actually done. And this is us setting up a ground station for the Muggin plane so that we can communicate while it's in the sky. Here's another UAV that I helped build. And I was surrounded by cool tech the entire time. That quadcopter right there costs around $5,000, and it's used for professional video making and things like that. And this is the first time I actually got to fly a quadcopter, and I only almost crashed it about 3 times, which was scary because I don't have money to replace that. And this is a training plane that I actually got to fly, which was probably the coolest thing. Don't tell because I wasn't supposed to, but they trained me to be a pilot so that when I get in there, I can be the pilot for OSU. And my advice for the upcoming interns is to take every opportunity you get, because even if it might not be what you want to do, you can still make a great summer out of it and just make the best out of your situation and have fun. And another thing I'd like to say is after going into this internship, I actually applied and got accepted into Oklahoma State University. And I'd also like to thank Sarah and the Pinhead Institute and Dr. Jacob, Ben, and Seabrook for all they've done for me. I just want to say thanks.